Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up two packages. One comes from North Carolina. The other one comes all the way to us from Alabama. So I can't wait to see what they sent, guys. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first package comes to us all the way from Mr. Michael Davis from Gurley, Alabama. Guys, I don't think he sent a note. I didn't see it in the box, but Michael, buddy, thank you so much for everything. From what I've seen, this stuff is really cool, man. Really cool. Like some challenge coins. And you got the sticker right here. It's Spring Tune-Up, Saturday, May 3rd, 2025, Rocket City. Rocket City Octane Auto Show. How about that? That's cool. A little pocket knife. Springs broke. This is a Gerber. Look at there. Is that not cool? Portland, Oregon. Silver knifed by Saki Japan. How about that? That little spring back there is broke. I guarantee it's right back here. Very, very cool. Thank you, buddy, for that. Then he sent me some 45 shells to go in the shield. Right here, I think they're 45. No, they're 44. Look at that. I love that, buddy. Thank you for sending me that. That'll look good in a knife. It sure would. Very, very cool, buddy. Thank you so much for these. I love that. And then he sent this right here. That is really cool. Look at this. Got two machine guns on the front, right? I don't know what kind they are, but that's pretty cool. The sun never sets on the Fighting Jeep. How about that? Love it, buddy. I have to put that over there with my tank that you sent. How about that? Here's one more Jeep. Look at there. D-Day, Invasion of Normandy. How about that? World War II Willys MB Jeep. Very cool, buddy. Thank you for this, man. Thank you for that. Love it. I have to open them up and put them over there with my Jeep. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an Abrams A1M1 tank. How about that? That is cool. Now, I've seen a bunch of these over in Desert Storm. I had to put it up there with Desert Storm, but they were all tanned up. I love this, man. Look at there. The turn, he even turns. These things would go up to 60 miles an hour. Ain't that cool? Love it, buddy. Appreciate this so much. I'll put it up there with my Desert Storm stuff. Thank you. Very, very cool, Mr. Mike. All right. Challenge coins. Check this out, y'all. The Missile Defense Agency. Wow. Boeing FTG-03. That's cool. Then you got the Apollo 8. Look at there. Ex-Luna. April 11th, 1970. I was not even a month old when that took place. I was born March 14th, 1970. That's cool, buddy. Thank you for this. Project Apollo. Look at there. Very cool, man. Love that. And this is the Redstone Arsenal, Alabama. How about that? My brother just retired from up there. He retired from the Air Force, and he just retired from this one here about 2 years ago. United States Army. He lives up that way. Very cool. What is that right there? This is the Proverbs 28:1. Wicked flee when no man pursueth, but the righteous are bold as a lion. How about that? Proverbs 28:1. Very cool, buddy. Thank you for that. Then you got support of freedom and democracy everywhere. Okay, I see Blackwater. And this is providing training and security solutions for the 21st century. How about that? Very cool, buddy. Thank you for these coins, man. My air's going to kick on and off, y'all. It's pretty hot outside. I'm sorry. And now I think this one here. Look at that, y'all. How about that? Big old Sasquatch, Bigfoot. Look at that. Ain't that cool? I love that, man. That is so cool of you to send me that. Mr. Michael Davis, buddy, thank you so much. I enjoy our chats on the phone. Appreciates our trades. I appreciate our trades, buddy. Thank you so much for sending me this. I love it. Thank you, buddy. Mr. Mike Davis sent all those gifts all the way from Gurley, Alabama. 205 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Mike Davis, buddy, thank you so much for all your support, buddy. Thank you so much for all the trades we've done. Appreciate our friendship. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, I just found another a package. It's really small. It's we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's from Adam, Adam from Cartersville, Georgia. Here it is right here. Check that out. That is a doctor's knife. Thing looks old, y'all. Is it pinned? It is pinned. How about that? Let's see what this is. Look at that handle is just shrunk up. Look at that blade though. That blade looks immaculate, y'all. This is a 64-69. I think that's a what they call a doctor's knife, ain't it? Pattern on it is 3185. Ain't it? 3185. Yeah. So that was yellow composition at one time, guys. I'm telling you, that knife is immaculate, man. Look at that, never been used. Wow. Dude, I love that. And your name is Adam. There's no note in here. From Cartersville, Georgia. Let's look this knife up real quick. Okay, here it is right here, guys. Doctor's knife. 6185 is pictured. That's got jig bone. This is one we have. 3185 USA, 1965 to 1970. Yellow composition. If that thing was mint in 2008, it would have been worth $150. Wow. Man. Is that not cool or what? But it is 3 5/8. Very, very cool. Check this one out. 6185 tested green bone, $750. Yellow composition tested is $400. All these are mint prices in 2008. Is this not cool or what, y'all? I love this thing right here. I'm gonna wear this on my side here real soon. Beautiful piece. Got that in from Mr. Don Hoffridge. We actually traded for this. Is that not cool? All right, Mr. Adam, buddy, thank you so much for this. I mean, to tell you, that blade is absolutely mint, guys. Never been used. This thing has been sitting in a window somewhere. Sitting in a window. Mr. Adams from Cartersville, Georgia. We thank you, buddy. Okay. Mr. Adams sent that doctor's knife all the way from Cartersville, Georgia. 134 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Adam, buddy, thank you so much for sending that doctor's knife in, buddy. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. God bless you, man. And now, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from Roger Buss from Elizabeth City, North Carolina. Hey Doc, here's my side of the tray plus a couple more. Sliced my thumb on the last time taking pictures of the king cutter knife. I know you like the Halloween knives. There's an interesting history on the black cat knife. I hope you enjoy them. I look forward to watching your show every day, and we'll keep watching and liking. Take care. God bless you and your family. Best regards, Roger. All right, buddy. Well, thank you. I forgot that we was gonna do a trade for a king cutter, and I think it was for. I have to go back and look. I think it's for that submarine belt that I got sent in, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this. Whoa. I think old Second Chance George has one of these. It's a black cat made in Germany. Called a Mercator. See there? This is a cool knife, man. It's so slim. That is so awesome, man. Look how thin that is. And it's very well made, too. Solid. Doggone, man. And it is sharp as a razor. I love this, buddy. What does that say? K55. It's called a Mercator. Solid in Germany. This thing is solid, man. Never had one. Thank you for this, buddy. I'll throw you in a challenge coin and some stickers. I love this, buddy. Thank you so much for this. Then he sent a case knife too, man. So it's a black synthetic Sodbuck the Buster Junior. Oh, this is what he was talking about. It's a Halloween, man. I thought you were talking about the black cat relating to Halloween. Dude, I love that, man. Golly. I love that right there. Ain't that awesome, y'all? Mr. Roger, buddy, thank you so much. And this is a, I think it's 24. Got 6 dots, yeah. Is that not cool or what, man? I love it, buddy. It's gonna go up in my display case like immediately. Love this, man. Thank you so much, buddy. I love it. Love this. That's what you was talking about. You were talking about the Halloween, and I thought you were referring to this black cat here. Very cool. Now this is what we was trading for. This is extra stuff, man. Thank you so much. Look here. King cutter. That's synthetic right there. Look how nice these blades are. So I think this is 40 to 60. No? I think it's EC Simmons at the top. Look at there. Well, I be dog. So this is yeah, it's sharp. It's sharp. This is pre-1940. No brass. Very, very cool. There's a better shot of that EC Simmons. See that right there? Pre-1940. This is awesome, buddy. Thank you so much for this trade. I love it, man. Love that stuff. It's hard to beat a king cutter. It really is. They were very well made. Schrade Cutlery Company was making them at one time. Winchester was making them at one time. Just very well made knives they were. Man. Very cool. Mr. Roger, buddy, thank you for everything. I love these knives, buddy. I love that one right there. I might even carry that one for a while. It's so slim, man. So slim. And Second Chance George, he has one of these. He's had it for a long time. Y'all go over and check his channel out. But man, I love that right there. Now that is a slim little knife right here. Lock blade too. Wow, very cool. Thank you for that, buddy. And I love the Halloween knife. Awesome, man. And that King cutter, that's like icing on top of the cake. Wow. Thank you, Mr. Rogers, so much, buddy. Appreciate you. Mr. Rogers sent all those knives all the way from Elizabeth City in North Carolina, 638 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Roger, buddy, thank you so much for the trade. Appreciate the other 2 knives, buddy. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. God bless you, man. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Mike, Mr. Adam, and Mr. Roger. Thank y'all so much for all the knives and gifts. Thank y'all support of the channel. I appreciate it, y'all. And also, guys, today is Thursday, so I'm on my way up there to Danville, Kentucky to the knife show that Clark's Kentucky Knives is putting on. Cannot wait to get up there and meet everyone. It's just going to be a great time, guys. And on the way up there, I'm going to be hitting pawn shops and anything that catches my eye that might have a knife. Cannot wait to stop and hunt for knives. It's going to be fun. It really is. Well, guys, again, thank y'all so much for all the support, all the views, all the subscribers. Thank y'all so much. And I just want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.